If we can clear this access point, we can bypass the main collapse.
It looks stable enough, but we should prioritize stabilizing the supports before we bring in the heavy gear. Look here, this ventilation shaft lines up with sector gamma 9 on the schematic. Yeah. So the main access tunnel should be right behind this wall.
We need that hoist directly above the seam. Ventilation is running. Dust extraction is green. Positioning the plasma cutter now.
The primary lift points are compromised here. We can use the stabilizers on the subframe, but we need to reinforce the chassis first. The displacement metrics are stabilizing slightly. But look at these microfractures in Sector 4. They weren't visible before.
Watch the clearance on that chassis rail. We don't want to disturb the contamination. Copy that. Sliding the recovery skid into place now.
Careful with the tweezers on that larger fragment. Understood. Vacuuming the fine dust around the edges now.
The corrosion on this lower section is significant. We're looking at extensive structural damage here. Agreed. I'm logging it now for the workflow. Easy now. Watch the clearance on the left. Got it. Coming down steady. Hit that last bolt with the impact gun.
Using aircraft-grade paint remover, the team meticulously strips the oxidized Rosso Corsa paint, which bubbles and lifts naturally. Ensure the template aligns perfectly with the laser-cut markings on the fender. Precision is critical for the structural integrity of the restoration.
I've marked the corrosion boundary on the strake.
Okay, I'm initiating the laser scan on that area now.
The pitting on the front fender is worse than expected. We can't save this panel. Confirmed on the rear quarter. We have to initiate the KF3D cuts immediately.
This weld needs reinforcement before finishing. I agree, the gauge shows minor deflection under load.
The side strake alignment looks good. What are the readings on the contour gauge? All right, let's take it forward slowly.
Yep.
Watch the gap on the right.
Still right.
And hold it right there. Looks good. Okay, raise it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the manifold. The lambda readings are leveling out as it warms up.
Confirmed. Everything looks nominal for the sweep test.